Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. What we're going to go over today is our Torsion air ride suspension for trailers. So we're underneath there is it's a 4-horse trailer with living quarters, so about a 40-foot trailer. We have a pair of 7,000-pound Torsion axles that the trailer came equipped with. Customers complaining about bucking of his trailer when he's on rough roads, and also the fatigue that the horses are feeling on these long road trips when he's going to the horse shows. So what we have here is a design that we came up with over 20 years ago, patented. Man, we've made thousands of these things. But it's a really cool setup where we actually just take the Torsion axle off the bottom of the trailer frame, put in our air suspension framework, and then put the trailer axles into this swing arm. So you still have your independent right and left of the Torsion axle, but now we're adding another 3 inches of travel of the airbag, which is a really plush, cushioned air ride. And I've had these on all of my trailers for as long as I can remember. And I tell you what, these things tow and ride so good. So for the controls for this horse trailer, what we have is we have our compressor box mounted here in this front compartment just above the LP tanks. We have a dryer, and what that's going to do, keep all the moisture out, whether it's hot, humid days or whether it's in the winter. It's going to keep the moisture out of the system, keep any moisture from either freezing up or causing that height control valve in the rear to malfunction. Now, of course, it's horse trailers, so we want to get this thing down low. So we have a button here that we just flip, and what that's going to do, that's going to dump about 3 to 4 inches out of the rear, dropping that down with no air in the bags. I flipped it back, the compressor is going to kick back on, replenish the air in the tank, lift it back up to ride height.